Hello, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Mga kababayan, ang inaasahan ko sanang video ni Zarka Ronon at ni Exploring with Josh yung is a diplomat. Yun ang gusto ko sana, kaya lang parang hindi yata nag-vlog si Zarka Ronon Kasi nag-vlog na sila sa diplomat eh. Yung collab nila ni Exploring with Josh, pero this time ang in-upload niya yung sa Cresta del Mar. So ito na, panoorin natin. Actually napanood ko na yata ito ng kalahati, pero ayokong reaction to ng hindi na fresh. Gusto ko sama-sama tayong manood ng video. So let's go na.
Pwede ka bang magparamdam?
I-forward ko na lang yung yung preview.
And close its. This resort was opened in 1970s and closed its doors to the public year 2003. Sikat na sikat to dati at talagang puntahan ng mga turista noong prime time nito. Napakaganda na lokasyon nito at may choice kang maligo sa pool at pwede ka rin mag-surfing sa dagat. Ngunit nang mamatay ang owner nito, bumaligtad ang lahat. Hindi ito napangalagaan ng kanyang mga anak ng maayos at naging dahilan sa pagkasira ng reputasyon.
Masakit yun, yung sabi mo hindi napangalagaan ng anak ng maayos.
Nito sa mga
kung totoo naman,
tao. At dahil dyan, nauwi ito sa pagsara ng resort. And the most creepy part is, merong bata na nalunod sa pool na to. At magpasa hanggang ngayon, naririto pa raw ang espiritu.
Nasabi ni Sir Riv sa akin, parang hindi daw dyan nalunod yun. Sa ibang pool. Paki-correct nga ha. Dyan, yung tinuro niya bang pool, yun ba yung pinaglunuran doon? Parang hindi yata daw dyan. May ibang pool dyan yata eh.
Ng bata na siyang nagmumulto. At yung mga lokal, madalas makarinig ng mga footsteps sa loob. Mga boses, ngunit pag...
Ganda talaga ng ng editing ng video.
Kaya ngayon, let's see kung totoo ba. Let the investigation begins. Gabi na makarating kami sa nasabing lokasyon.
Alright, so nandito na kami sa labas and papasok na kami. Ambience pa lang, medyo creepy na talaga. So sobrang special ng vlog na to para sa akin. Kasi first time namin mag-collab ni Josh. Exploring with Josh.
First time out here, guys, and we picked a good spot as our first one. So don't cancel this video out.
Sinimulan namin na exploration dito sa bowling area.
Alright guys, so right here, ito yung bowling center nila. May mga sapatos pa dito. Nagkalat yung mga sapatos. Grabe no, yung mga tabla, yung Tapos yung pagbabalik na yung bola.
Sa tagal ng panahon, sira-sira na ang buong alley. Nagbagsakan na ang mga kisame, ngunit naririto pa rin ang ilang mga gamit.
Doon yung...
Pero feeling ko modern na yung TV niya kahit na CRT pa lang. Siguro nabuhay itong resort na to inabutan pa siya ng early 2000. Tama ba ako?
May mga sapatos pa dito.
Kasi yung TV...
Grabe no, yung mga tabla, yung Tapos yung pagbabalik na yung bola.
Sa tagal ng panahon, sira-sira na ang buong alley. Nagbagsakan na ang mga kisame, ngunit naririto pa rin.
Ayan yung TV na ganyan. Alam ko, yan high-end yan dati eh. So, mga early 2000 siguro, or late 90s. Yung ganyan TV. Kasi kung susundin mo, 70s pa ba tong Cresta del Mar? Kung panahon pa ng 70s or 80s. Sa bagay may push button na nung 90s, Sa bahay ng lola ko dati may TV sila. Alam niyo yung pinipihit. Medyo modern na to. May na siya yung audio video na yung may jack. 'Di ba? Medyo modern na to ng konti.
Ilang mga gamit.
Doon yung pang-strike. So ito pa yung mga tabla, yung mga plywood. Grabe, sira-sira na lahat, man. Dude, this will be my first time walking on an abandoned bowling arena. Right here, Men, for sure, dito may date dito. Hanap tayo ng date. Kasi pag nakakita tayo ng date, for sure, yun yung huling nag-function sila.
Feeling ko early 2000.
Puro dumi na ng panike. Puro bricks ng mga lumang lalagyan ng alak.
Matapos namin ikutin ng bowling alley, papasok na sana kami sa loob ng Cresta nang biglang may mangyari sa second camera ko.
What's up?
Go on record.
Hey, what's up?
Ang gusto ko sa videos ni Zarkaro, I'm so sure. Ako, for me, ang opinion ko, wala namang paranormal dito. 'Di ba? Nangyayari naman talaga sa equipment yan, whether first time na mangyari yan or nangyayari talaga sa equipment yan. Kahit mismong camera, alam nila na pwedeng mangyari sa kanila yan eh. Kasi nga, na-program nung gumawa ng camera na may mag-a-appear na message na ganun, just in case na may mangyaring kapalpakan sa camera. Nangyayari talaga sa camera yan. However, yung galing nilang mag-present to make it appear na part yun nung entertainment or nung thrill ng pag-ghost hunting nila. Ito yung gusto ko kay Zarkaro. Although na medyo tutol ako yung na-reactan kong video nila dun sa ano ba yung bahay dun sa Baguio? Dun sa Laperal. 'Di ba? Just imagine yung video nila sa Laperal. Nasa labas lang sila, hindi sila pumasok sa loob pero nagawa nilang entertaining. 'Di ba? May makikita mo sa video kung may talent yung gumagawa. Ako hindi ko kaya yung ganyan, yung 'di ba? Kung ako siguro nandiyan yung nagmalfunction yung camera, i-dismiss ko na lang 'yan na wala, malas talaga eh. Pero 'di ba? Tingnan mo the way nila i-handle yung kasi parang dagdag to eh. Dagdag gravity ito dun sa video eh.
Oh shit.
Nag-unrecord mag-isa yung camera na parang ayaw magpa-video ng lugar.
It's now haunting my camera, bro.
What happened?
Look at that. Record button.
Frozen? It's hard to focus.
What?
Hard to
So yeah, okay. So record it.
What's happening?
Automatically unrecords.
It just stops.
Yeah, it stopped recording. Wait, what? Pinatay mo.
Turn this on. I'm gonna record again.
Pag may ganyan kang ka-high-end na camera, obligado talaga may cameraman ka, Kasi kung halimbawa, ikaw mag-isa ka lang mag-explore tapos ganyan yung syempre, may times na matataranta ka, mamaya maibalibag mo pa yan. Di ba? Kaya kung halimbawa kung mag-isa ka lang, tama na yung pag GoPro na lang para maliit lang yung camera or naka-chest mount or Pag ganito, nakakatakot masira eh. Mahal pa naman yung ganyan.
Dude. Why? So, papasok pa lang kami. Ayaw mo record. Unable to display, bro.
Nag-corrupt ang lahat ng footage at ito ang kinakatakot ko.
Oh my god, all the footage.
Yeah, all the footage, bro.
So then what's happening?
I don't know what's happening, bro. It's my first time to encounter this problem.
Well, that's cool, but at the same time, that sucks.
It's the first time I encounter this.
Actually,
Still, it's broken. All the B-rolls were there. It's all corrupted.
Yung masakit yung may na-record ka na tapos na-corrupt ng ganun.
Pasok na kami sa loob dahil wala naman na kaming magagawa. Talagang malakas nga ang mga naririto dahil nagawa niyang masira ang memory card ko.
Dito yung lobby nila.
Need mong i-format yun.
Malaking gulat ko nang bigla siyang bumalik.
Yo, can I tell you what just happened to me?
What's up?
Alright, so I was talking about the story at the pool about the kid. The child accidentally fell in.
Right.
And I could have sworn whole shadow figure, but I didn't see the shadow figure. I just felt someone's presence. At the corner of my eye, I seen like something, and I thought they were coming up to me to push me in the water because I was by the edge. This place is super unique. I'm just freaked out of the spiders that could happen, but holy fuck. But
may sounds nga naman na footstep. Pero si Josh ay naglalakad din lang naman. Wala, hindi natin, there's no way of knowing kung yun ay paranormal or hindi. Pero kung mabibigyan nyo ko ng history na si Josh ay nameke ng kahit anong video. Kasi ganito mga kababayan, ganito akong mag-analyze ng video. Katulad niyan, hindi naman natin alam kung talaga may naglakad doon sa tabi niya or wala. May narinig naman tayong sound, 'di ba? Pero at the same time, naglalakad din naman kasi si Josh. Pagka clueless tayo kung ano ba talaga 'yon, ang re-relayan kasi natin yung testimony ni Josh eh. Pag ang re-relayan natin testimony ni Josh kung totoo 'yun o hindi, kailangan natin tingnan yung pagkatao ni Josh. Hindi naman yung mga personal na ano niya, no, na siya ay nagnakaw ng sinampay or hindi naman ganon sa level na yun. Kung ano ba talaga siya, may history na ba siya ng pamimeke? May history na ba siya ng ano? Kung wala, kaya nga ito yung sinasabi kong important yung credibility eh. 'Di ba? Kung intact yung credibility ni Josh, pwede nating tanggapin na yun ay paranormal ayon sa kanyang sinabi. Pero kung taong to ay may history na siya ay nameke na before, automatically gwak na itong deklarasyon niya. 'Di ba? Ganun lang naman Kasi hindi, pwede natin sabihin na doon sa mga taong namimeke pwede naman natin sabihin na pwede naman talagang may mangyaring paranormal sa kanila. 'Di ba? Hindi mo naman pwede i-dismiss 'yon kasi nga nagvi-video din naman yan. Kahit namimeke ba naman yan, nagbi-video din naman yan eh. Kaya lang syempre, yung trust na ibibigay mo doon sa video, mahirap nang ibigay 'yon. 'Di ba? Good as ligwak na 'yon kung ikaw ay may history na ng pamimeke. Ngayon ang tanong, may history ba ng pamimeke? Kung wala naman, pwede pa natin panghawakan.
Holy fuck. I swore on my life. I thought I seen a shadow, and I thought I seen a person come right up to me and stepped on the ground. Just now.
Sabagay, mga bigatin din na nakakakulab nito sa Amerika, no?
Like came right up to me like he was gonna push me into the water. I swear on everything. That really scared me. I wish I had my friends here with the second angle. Like I thought someone was coming to push me.
Kaya nagdesisyon na kaming magsama-sama muna, nalibutin ang buong lugar at mamaya mag-investigate.
Yes, and I heard, of course.
Office nila.
Ano yung namatay na yun?
Dito pa yung mga telephone. Yun yung kailangan natin makita ngayon kung anong year kasi for sure, pag nakita tayo ng year, yun yung huling nag-function tong hotel na to.
At meron ako nakitang mga litrato.
Oh, look at this. Ito yung itsura ng hotel na to dati.
Postcards.
Sobrang ganda nga. I found an old picture.
Ganda, no? Talagang,
Hey, look at that.
first class yung nila.
It is.
There's more. Oh, that's the beach resort. See, it's dark, so we can't see what it actually looks like out here.
Whoa, and this is what it looks like at night.
Dude, whoa, that's actually
Imagine 1970 and you have that resort? Dude, it's a 5-star.
Yeah.
At maya-maya ay nakakita naman ako.
Dude!
So, 2003. 2003, yeah.
Pag nag-vlog din ako, gaganyan din ako. Dude! Kasama ko sila Third Eye. Dude!
It's Summerfest 2003.
So they had a
2003!
last day it closed.
Dude!
Ano ba yon? Poster talaga doon? Or 2003 active pa ang Cresta Del Mar? Ibig sabihin, inabot sila ng 2000 talaga.
Look at their revenue. 1.7 million.
Oh, it shows their actual revenue here?
Yeah. Ito yung mga patunay na nabangkas
Ay!
talaga sila kasi hindi
1.7 million second quarter lang. Maliit yun. Buong second quarter.
magpatakbo ng maraming empleyado.
Sa lobby, andito.
Yes, tama yun. Lugi yun, men.
Na nabankrupt talaga sila kasi hindi to enough para magpatakbo ng maraming empleyado.
Sa lobby,
Second quarter yung yung 1.7 million eh. Akala ko isang araw. Pwede pa isang araw. Pero, di ba?
andito ang lumang lagayan ng mga susi, telepono, dating bills at may nabasa akong mga mensahe.
May nakita ko ditong letter. Salamat kahit paminsan-minsan walang tubig, walang aircon, okay ang pwesto at maluwag ang kwarto. And thanks sa inyong magandang pagtanggap sa amin. Okay ang video, okay. Sana sa uulitin, dito ulit kami makapag-check-in. Wow. Ano kayang mararamdaman nito pag nakita na itong lugar na to ganda na ngayon?
Umakyat kami na second floor para dito naman mag-explore.
Andito pa yung mga damit, oh. kwarto to. Tapos naggalat yung mga picture ng Cresta Del Mar. Para pala siyang
Mga
school sa
postcards.
Japan na hindi alam kung kailan ba talaga siya nag-close. Ang nabasa ko sa ilang mga research ko is 1998 siya nag-close. Pero ito, meron dito 2003, 2005. Tingin mo, men.
Siguro, ganito.
40 pesos.
Ganito, siguro yung hotel function niya, 1998 nag-close. Pero parang nagpatuloy ng konti, kaya siguro may eventong 2003. Siguro medyo maayos-ayos pa naman yung lugar, ginagawang venue na lang sa mga small gatherings, 'di ba? Pero hindi na katulad nung sa hotel.
Lang. Inihaw na baboy. Alam mo kung magkano? 85 pesos.
Kitang-kita mo talaga dito ang inflation sa Pilipinas. Ang pagkakaiba ng presyo
Uy, may ano pa, yung inihaw na baboy nga diyan sa yung binebenta sa barbecue sa amin. 50 pesos lang eh. I don't know if double dead yun or hindi. Hindi, pero 50 pesos makakabili ka ba inihaw na baboy? 45 pa nga yata eh. Di sa harap namin. Sa bagay, isang strip yun ng liempo ha. I don't know kung anong inihaw na baboy yung 85 dyan. Medyo mahal pa rin. Sinigang na baboy, 85. Presyong karinderya to. Pero hotel eh, no? Supposed to be mahal sa hotel. O, pwede. Pwedeng nagmahal nga. Anong sinigang na susay? Ano yun? Tinolang manok, 85.
ng bilihin noon kumpara sa ngayon.
So guys, ito palang room dito, hindi pala siya sa mga workers. Para pala to sa mga club members.
Samot-saring mga lumang gamit ang nandito sa loob ng hotel na to. Iba't ibang mga petsa, inaanay na ang mga kahoy at basag-basag na rin ang mga salamin. Bumaba na kami para naman sa ibang gusali na makapag-ikot.
Guys, pupunta na kami dito sa main area wherein nandito yung pool, yung mga kwarto. Basically, yung pinakamagandang part ng hotel. Sobrang lalaki na ng mga damo. Sira-sira na yung ceiling, sira-sira na pati yung mga bakal ng mga fence.
Pagpasok namin ay merong maliit na parang stage at mga dining table.
Oo nga rin, na-imagine ko na yung mga kumakain dito.
Alam ko na, bar to, bar.
Lugar na kung saan dati sila nagkakasiyahan at paniguradong dito din ang kainan.
Feel ko,
Yung mga ganyan, yung malakas ang imprint niyan. Yung mga lugar na gano'n, yung may nagkakasiyahan.
son disco. Punong-puno
Maring
ng
may
salamin.
residual doon.
Napakaraming salamin at ito ang naisip ko.
Siguro isa rin yung sa dahilan kung ba't haunted to, no? Kasi diba sinasabi nila yung mirror, yun yung entry, parang gate of the devil. So ngayon, lalabas na kami dito sa pool.
Spirits naman.
Kung saan dito yung may nalunod na bata. Tapos yun daw yung nagpaparamdam.
Ang naririnig ko lang, may bata daw na nalunod before sa may pool. Yun daw parang yung na umiiyak sa gabi, may naririnig daw silang batang umiiyak doon. Tsaka sa may malapit sa pool, may puno doon na may bad spirit daw po doon. Kapre daw po nga.
Kung naaalala nyo kanina, merong na-experience si Josh.
The spiders that could happen, but oh,
Andito kami sa lugar na kung saan matatagpuan ang mga kwarto ng resort. Sa harap ng mga silid ay ang swimming pool, lugar na sinasabing may nalunod na bata.
Hindi daw dyan,
Ay
Zarkaro.
napapaligiran ng mga salamin, kaya mas nakakadagdag ng takot.
Itong first floor na may kasamang pool, ito ay puro kwarto lang. Pare-pareho lang yung mga kwarto, punong-puno ng mga salamin.
Umakyat kami na second floor para makita kung kamusta na ba ito ngayon.
Many people are scared on going here.
At habang nag-iikot, ito ang nangyari.
Wait. I think my nose is bleeding.
May onting dugo lumalabas sa ilong ko.
Oo nga, no?
Alam kung bakit. Sa mga
Kuya Red Levels,
oras na to ay kinabahan ako dahil sa mga biglaang pangyayari.
Suddenly my nose just bleed.
right now?
Yeah.
What? Oh, dude,
Yeah, bro.
really are bleeding.
What?
That's weird.
Holy shit.
Now that's what I mean. I almost got pushed. Your nose is randomly bleeding, and the camera messed up. That is 3 things already. I'm just.
Ako sa akin lang. Parang pinipilit nila i-connect yung pag-malfunction ng camera may nangyari kay Josh tapos nose bleeding. Which is, hindi naman concrete proof ng paranormal yon. Pero it is unusual, no? Pero para i-ano mong paranormal, yung pag nosebleed kasi, pwede naman mangyari talaga sa tao yan kahit wala ka sa haunted na lugar. Yung pagmamalfunction ng camera din, pwede din naman mangyari yun kahit wala ka sa haunted na lugar. May naka-experience talaga nun. Ang questionable na lang talaga yung na-feel ni Josh. Pero nami-made up naman doon sa editing ng video eh. Pero 'di ba, parang masyado lang pinipilit, 'di ba? Pero mas okay na 'to. Mas okay na 'to. Mas gusto ko na 'to kumpara sa magdamit ka ng peking white lady. Mas okay na 'to, 'di ba? Katulad ng sinasabi ko before, kung magiging bias man sila sa evidence nila. For me, wala namang masama doon. 'Di ba? Kasi kaya ka nga nag-ghost hunting, need mo talagang maghanap ng proof eh. At doon nagsisimula yung bawat nararamdaman mo ay feeling mo may meaning. Pero ibang-iba kasing usapan yung pag namimeke ka. Inuulit ko ito, although kahit pa paano, feeling ko pinipilit na mag-connect-connect yung mga bagay. 'Di ba? Mas okay na 'yan. 'Di ba? Entertaining naman yung video eh.
Saying.
Kesa mamaya.
Tinuloy pa rin namin ang paglilibot sa kabila ng lahat.
They're going to the roof from here. Oh my God!
Maliban na lang kung naglagay siya ng pampadugo kunyari sa ilong niya. Pero I don't think nagagawin naman ni Zarkaro yun. Kasi sa dinami-dami ng pwede mong ipameke yung pagdugo pa ng ilong ang pepekein mo. Bakit hindi ka nalang gumawa ng fake na kunyari may umiiyak dyan, di ba? You get what I mean? Feeling ko hindi naman pineke yung pagdugo ng ilong.
God, that is the most bats I've seen in one go.
Let me see what's in there.
Oh my God, this is so Whoa! Did you guys get that smell?
What?
It's burning my eyes. Holy! What?
It's full of cockroaches, bro.
25 cockroaches in there. Why is it burning my eyes though?
Dude, the smell
Smell.
is awful right now.
Sobrang pangi dito, guys. So, mabilisan lang, guys, kasi baho talaga. Sila din hindi na kinaya. Sobrang laking area nito. Parang kainan na, parang ballroom area. Alam mo yung sayawan? Sobrang laki na ito. Just get out of here.
Siguro matagal nang hindi na pinapasok ng liwanag yun, no? Kaya may may mga paniki na.
Mahirap po na humino. Hindi. Meron talaga.
Bro, that is crazy.
That is.
That is fucking crazy. I've never seen something like that exploring. In 10 years, I've never seen anything like that. That is the most cockroaches and bats in an abandoned place ever.
See the content we do for you guys? Come on.
Subscribe, subscribe, please subscribe.
Niready na namin ang lahat ng gagamitin
Yan.
para sa paranormal investigation, mga anggulo ng camera at mga ghost equipments.
Were you the one that found?
Alam nyo, yung ginagawa nila na yan, ng mga professionals na to, kayang-kaya naman nila Kuya Red yan eh. Sa totoo lang. Nila Donsky. Sa dami ng sponsors nyo, kayang-kaya nyo yan, men. Yung bumili ng maraming camera na iba-ibang anggulo, kayang-kaya nyo yan. Kaya lang hindi nyo ginagawa yan kasi nga may iniiwasan kayo sa camera nyo. Samantalang itong mga to, kayang-kaya nila magtanim ng iba-ibang angulo.
Me and try to.
Hindi naman kailangan high-end ang camera na na gamitin mo eh. 'Di ba? Kaya nga napansin nyo yung pumunta ako sa Valenzuela, medyo pinipilit kong gayahin din yung style na ganyan, yung nagtatanim-tanim ng camera. Kasi doon nangyayari yung totoong paranormal talaga minsan pag hindi mo nakikita. Napapansin mo yung cliche. Ano ba tagal ng cliche? Ano ba meaning ng cliche? Para maintindihan natin Cliche meaning, ano ba? Cliche. 'Di ba yung yung expression. What do you mean? Express very often before and it's therefore not original and not interesting. Kapag sinabi mong cliche, parang ganito ano yung mga cliche ng ng pelikulang Pilipino? Cliche yung palaging sa bodega nagbabarilan bandang huli, di ba? Palaging dumadating ang pulis pagtapos ng barilan. Yun yung tinatawag na cliche. Yung hindi na siya original. Yung alam mo na agad na halimbawa, kapag survival horror yung pinapanood mo, yung biglang sasabihin ng bida, maghiwa-hiwalay tayo. Palagi nangyayari to, isa-isa silang pinapatay. Di ba? Kaya kung i-translate ko yung cliche dito sa pinag-uusapan natin, ang cliche kasi kalimitan sa ghost hunting dito sa Pilipinas, may kalabugan na nangyayari na hindi laging nakakapture ng camera. At alam natin kung ano yung dahilan nun. Kasi yung mga peking ghost hunter dito, katulad nila Kuya Red, nila Donsky, sinasadya talaga nilang hindi makunan yung kalabugan. Kasi nga, alam nila sa sarili nila, nakasamahan nila yung gumagawa nun eh. Diba? Documented naman yan. May ano nga eh, isa nga sa behind the scenes eh. Nag-i-instruct nga sila doon na, wag ka nang kasi makikilala ka sa camera. Ibig sabihin, inaano nila, sinasadya nila hindi makita. Kaya ito sana, sinasabi ko, kayang-kaya ng mga local ghost hunter yan, yung mga tanim-tanim camera na yan, importante to eh. Kasi sa paranormal kasi, hindi mo predict kung saan aatake yan. Kaya isa sa, I don't know, nanonood naman sila Kuya Red, siguro, ng mga ganitong palabas. Sila Donsky, kung paano mag-ghost hunting yung mga Sana ina-absorb nyo yung mga ganitong style. Kaya lang, pagka in-absorb nyo to, madali kayo mahuhuli.
Look like or scare me to put...
Kaya nga ako, kung gusto nyo makatipid, ang bibilin ko yung 360 na camera eh. Ipaplanta mo lang yung sa gitna. Para just in case na kuha yon 360 degrees. Kabibili lang ni yun eh. Medyo nagsisisi nga kung bakit Osmo camera yung binili ko eh. Yun na lang sana ang binili ko. Dahil pagka tinanim mo yun sa gitna, 360 degrees, makukunan niya yung Pag may kalabog na nangyari dito, through editing, pwede mong ito na lang yung tingnan mo. 'Di ba? Excited nga ako na magamit yun if ever eh.
Push me into the pool water?
I know what we're gonna do. So you know how you could sing? I want you to sing to reenact as if someone was on stage singing to try to get the ghosts to want to come out.
Okay.
Yan yung ang ginagawa nila yung pagti-trigger. 'Di ba? Kaya nga yung pumunta sa El Fraile sila sila Sir I.M. Reverie. I don't know kung ginawa nila yun yung sinabi kong ganun. Dapat kayo diyan, roll call kayo or mag-drill kayo ng military para yung mga dating nandiyan parang ma-feel nila na active pa rin yung lugar. May tawag dun eh. Ano ba tawag dun? Yung iti-trigger mo yung katulad nung sinabi ni Josh. Halimbawa, nasa dati kang kampo ng military na hunted. Yung iti-trigger mo sila dahil sisigaw ka ng, attention! Gaganong ka. Tapos may response ka maririnig. Whether imprint man yun or kung ano man. Parang ganito yung gusto mangyari ni Josh.
Is that okay?
Padre Maria. What do you want me to do that?
Yeah, anything. Just sing like a Tagalog song or something. You know, every Filipino can sing, right? Okay. But I think that's a good way to reenact and gets the ghost to talk.
Ang kinakanta niya, mga banda na siguro.
Oh shit, you're right.
Yeah, alright, try opera though, now I'm curious. Can you do opera?
Open your eyes, look up in the skies and see.
Nilatag na namin ang lahat ng gagamiting ghost equipments at ito lang ang aming gagamitin para sa communication. Wala kaming gagamiting cellphone at puro paranormal equipments lang.
Good!
And
Tama! Di ba? Walang app ng cellphone. Very good.
Sensors on both sides.
Tsaka ito madalas na madalas nakakalimutan ng mga ghost hunters. Sana mapansin nyo, mga normal na tao kasi hindi naman familiar sa mga equipment na ginagamit nyo, katulad ng REM pad. Although na kumakain ng oras, pero importante na dapat ini-explain nyo paulit-ulit kung ano yung mga sineset up nyo na yan para mag-gets ng mga nanonood. Let's say naglatag ka na REM pad, i-explain mo ano ba yung REM pad na yan, di ba? Para alam din ng ibang nanonood kasi may chance na may iba-ibang taong nakakanood sa inyo na first time lang kayo mapanood or hindi alam yung ginagamit nyo. Yan ang madalas na
This is called a flux too, and it detects sensors on both sides. So if someone crosses, so this is called the dead bell, and when I turn it on, it detects through EMF. And so pretty much, if we ask questions or someone here, literally it will ring the bell.
Holy shit.
Through EMF, like energy.
Okay.
So this is, and we use it a lot, and we can tell you for sure this thing is amazing, and it works super good.
Magsisimula na sana kami ng may
Parang REM pad ba yun? Kaya lang mechanical yung tunog, Hindi siya digital.
bigla akong mapansin.
Mas nakakatakot nga naman.
Is that someone?
Pero reflection
Ano daw?
nang may bigla akong mapansin.
What? Is that someone?
Pero reflection lang pala namin to. Pero maya-maya lang,
Yeah.
umilaw at may gumalaw na agad sa ghost ball.
Whoa, okay,
wait, off.
okay. Yup.
Okay.
At isa itong magandang indikasyon na nandito na sila.
Let's introduce ourselves.
Hindi talaga ako nasa ghost ball. Kahit na anong mangyari. Kasi pwede mag-cause ng kahit ano yun. Hindi, ano ba to? Semento ba to? Itong sahig na to? I'm so sure itong nilalagyan ba ng ghost ball, semento din? Ay, sorry, hindi nyo pala nakita. Semento din ba yan yung nilalagyan ng ghost ball? Ito? Hindi talaga ako sa ghost ball. I don't know kung ano. Hindi, pwede naman paranormal, Pero sa ghost ball talaga hindi ako, I don't know why. Hindi talaga ako. Kasi, may chance na tinitingnan. Binigyan ako niya ni Sir, ni Sir Rive. Dito pa ba yan? Tinry ko siyang, intindihin. May time kasi na umiilaw siya. Diba ito? May time kasi na umiilaw siya na hindi dahil sa movement Dahil doon sa mechanism niya na siguro nag-deteriorate or basta feeling ko may mechanical issue ang ghost ball Kasi minsan kahit minsan anuhin mo to. Wait lang May point lang ako, may gusto lang ako ipunto. Patigilin natin muna. Minsan yan, kahit galawin mo yan, gumagalaw yung kamay ko Kahit galawin mo yan, hindi yan iilaw Kaya unless sobrang lakas ng galaw mo. Ang tanong, kaya ba umilaw yung sobrang lakas ba ng movement nun? 'Di ba? Parang may something kasi dito sa loob na anytime pwede siyang mag-trigger kahit hindi gawa ng paranormal. Kasi may loose siya doon sa loob Hindi ko naman dinidismiss na paranormal talaga yung cause ng ghost ball. Pero kung paranormal man, nasa 5% lang siguro or Kasi try nyo, bumili kayo nito. Inano ko to minsan inaral ko to Bago siya mapagalaw, bago siya mapailaw, the only way na mapapailaw to, mapagalaw mo lang to 'Di ba? Kailangan magalaw mo siya bago mo siya mapailaw. Pero ito, kahit gumagalaw na siya, hindi siya umiilaw unless talagang yung malupit na galawan. Hindi naman siya natitrigger ng ano eh, ng EMF na namumultuhin yan para umilaw. 'Di ba? I don't know. Well, opinion ko 'yon, ano? Sasabihin ko, 'yun ay subjective ko. Hindi naman objective yung sinabi ko. Sabagay, objective naman talaga na kailangan galawin mo to bago umilaw eh. Kaya talaga parang wala akong tiwala dito. Feeling ko false reading pagka ito. Galit kayo?
I'm Josh from the United States, and I'm here to figure out if this place is haunted or not, and if you guys want to speak to me.
Hello, I'm Rich, also from the United States.
Ako si Zark, ako ay isang Pilipino, taga rito sa Pilipinas.
Ako si Sling.
Meron kaming mga gamit dito at pwede nyo kaming kausapin sa pamamagitan nito. May kasama ba kami dito? So I asked if there's someone with us. So I asked if there's someone with us.
Or like a footstep.
Yeah. In the woods, right?
Yeah. Or like right over here, just outside of here.
May
Yeah.
pusa dyan eh.
If that's you,
Di ba may miming dyan, ano? Sir Lance? May miming dyan eh.
you can come inside. We have devices laid out for you that you can touch and talk to us, like the red blinking light over there, or cat balls we call them, which are little balls that are where you would sit to eat your lunch.
Kung nandito ka at ikaw yun, pwede kang pumasok, pwede ka bang magparamdam?
There we go. There we go.
Dapat alisin niyo yung sound. Mas gusto namin ng tahimik, no? 'Di ba? Nagre-respond yung yung REM pad. Ito yung original na REM pad eh. Pero sana wag niyo lagyan ng sounds. Gusto namin yung tahimik lang para na-experience namin.
Wow.
Okay. Salamat.
Thank you for that. That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Kung nagugutom ka at kailangan mo ng pagkain, maaari mo ulit siyang hawakan. Yung hinawakan mo kanina.
Biglang may umalulong.
What was that? What was that?
Yeah, it was a howl.
Yeah.
Were you the one that followed
Ano naman aso lang yun?
look like or scare me to push me into the pool water? If that's you, can you touch one of my devices or let me know that you were here?
Ikaw ba yung nagtangkang lumapit sa kanya sa pool? Kung ikaw yun, maaari mo bang lapitan yung mga gamit namin na nilagay namin sa mga gilid?
Maya-maya pa may umalulong na naman.
Pwede naman kasing aso lang yun. No? Hindi, kung boses tao yun, pwedeng multo. Pero alulong min eh.
Yeah, there's like a howling sound.
Like...
Gusto mo ba kami sa swimming pool? Gusto mo bang mag-swimming? Pwede kami pumunta sa swimming pool para sa'yo. Is that a screech?
What was that? There we go.
There we go.
Red.
Dami nilang tanong bago makakuha ng response, ano? Dapat sinama nyo si Donsky. Pag nagtanong yon, ilaw lahat yan.
So someone just walked and we caught that.
He's gone. He's gone.
Can you walk back to the red?
Pwede
If you
kang
want to
bumalik.
talk to us?
Pwede kang bumalik sa pulang kulay?
Or maybe were you the little boy that died in the pool? Okay. We also have a bell in the middle. You can touch it by tapping like this. You want to talk to us that way, just touch the bell.
Ooh!
Okay.
Okay.
Galing, ano?
Can you touch the bell again? Oh! No.
May cut na yon. May cut namin eh. Ibig sabihin, matagal yung gap bago siya tumunog. Kinat nila, tamo ha?
Touch the bell again?
Di ba? May cut na eh. Pero sa editing ng ng video nila, tunog responsive yung pero feeling ko mahaba yung gap bago siya tumunog.
Can you touch the bell again? Oh! No. No way.
Pero impressive ha?
Yes. Yes, like that. Let's ask them. Ask them. You ask. I love how he literally
asked the bell. Like, oh, you could use the bell, and now it's easy. They're using the bell.
Right.
Do you see the little boy that died?
Instant, whatever you
Instant.
He is seeing the boy.
Yeah.
So the boy is positively here.
That's what it. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
All right.
Malapit ba siya sa amin? Is he near?
Pero hindi siya sumagot. At ang ibig sabihin lang ay hindi malapit sa amin ang bata.
Can't be near.
Can't be near.
Oh.
Paano yung sumagot?
Can't be near, yes.
Can't be near. Yeah. Okay.
So, because the boy died on the pool.
So from now on, if you ring the bell once, that means yes to our question. And if you ring the bell twice, that means no.
So one more time, is the boy by the?
Dapat translate ni Zark.
Bata ba ay nasa pool ngayon?
Unless he already answered and he's just like, oh, okay.
It's a yes.
Yes. Makes sense. Yeah.
I think
Galing, no?
he's here, right? And it took so long. Maybe he checked it. Who knows?
Yeah. All right.
Kasi sinasabi ni Zark,
Makes sense. Yeah.
I think he was here, right? And it took so long. Maybe he checked it. Who knows?
ano daw, baka daw chinek lang daw kaya daw matagal. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ganun ka-instant yung sagot. Dapat sinama niyo si Donsky para instant yung sagot.
Yeah. All right. So that's cool. Do you know that you're dead?
So where?
Wait. So where?
Have you heard the footstep?
Behind you. Yeah, over there. Is that you making a footstep? Oh.
Yeah. It is. It is.
Oh no.
It's no.
Oh shit.
It's no.
See, there's gotta be two people here. It makes sense. I was thinking
Probably
it was
plenty.
Are there multiple?
Pero galing, ano? Nakakamangha.
Yes. Yeah. Easy.
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, importante yung credibility talaga. Kasi by this time, ang panghahawakan natin yung credibility nila sa ganitong larangan Diba?
Easy.
Yeah,
This is very
we
active.
know.
This is why me and Steve loves the Philippines, because it's very active.
No, dude, here's the thing. It's not just the Philippines. It's all of Asia.
Yeah,
It's so
actually, even in
crazy.
Japan.
Dude, way more active than USA. I think it's because your cultures and you guys feed into the afterworld so
Christianity.
much. Yeah. And that's why. Yes.
Yes.
Yo, yes.
Oh, it's actually.
Sobrang accurate ng mga nangyayari. Grabe.
Is the little boy an evil spirit?
Masama ba yung batang lalaki?
No.
No.
Galing, ano?
You
Galing.
know it's real. Wow. Because why would the little boy be an evil spirit? Yeah.
You're right.
Exactly.
You're
It's a
right.
clean.
And that was actually
Yeah.
two.
At first I was like, oh, why do you even say that? He can't be an evil spirit. And it literally just said
It
no.
actually said no.
That's exactly it.
Kinikilabutan ako.
Grabe na. My shit. So it was like a...
Yeah. Yo, what do you think of that slang?
Right.
Yeah.
So guys, si Slang tahimik lang dito.
I just love this, I'm just amazed. It's first time, bro.
Yeah, our first time all together. Good evidence right now. Good stuff.
Hindi ko naman masasabing ang nagko-control yung cameraman ni Zark kasi hindi siya nakikita sa ano. Pero equipment kasi nila Josh to 'Di ba? At nakikita naman natin yung kamay ni Josh, pati kamay nung kasamahan niya.
Totoo bang kapag namatay ka, maiintindihan mo na lahat ng lingwahe?
That's a yes. So I'm not sure how.
May cut Feeling ko mahaba 'yon tapos kinakat nila. Kaya nagmumukhang spontaneous yung sagot. 'Di ba? Ibang anggulo na yung bigla magkakatot na mo.
Pag namatay ka, maiintindihan mo na lahat ng lingwahe?
That's a yes. So
Diba? Sa editing din.
I'm not sure how true it is, but
Pero ang importante, sumasagot talaga.
other people who've been investigating tell me that in the United States. Don't know how true it is. Okay. Yep.
He's confirming it.
The boy who drowned here actually liked to speak to us.
No.
What was the 3?
Yo, dude, it sounds like a hard no.
Yeah, like he's hitting, So no. Yes, now.
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay.
Galing, ano?
We're not gonna, maybe honestly, out of respect, we don't bring the boy in.
Sir Lance, yung ano mo, kailan ba natin gagamitin?
Into this. Yes! Wow,
Yo.
that gave me the chills.
Pwede ba kami pumunta sa pool area?
Can we go to the pool area and talk to other people?
Say yes.
That's a yes.
So, what do you guys think?
I'm down.
Try namin mag-invite ng mga spirit ngayon bago kami pumunta sa swimming pool. So, how do you do that is performance. I'm gonna try to sing here and invite yung mga spirit. Tapos kakanta tayo ng mga old songs.
For anyone who's here with us right now that's by the pool or in the resort, we are about to sing a song and have dinner. And if you want to join, you have to come here and take a seat. We're about to start performing and serving free food. Starting now. Here comes the singing and everything else. I'm nervous.
Galing, ano?
Dude, I'm nervous.
Ganyan yung pag-trigger.
Singer, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's singing for everyone.
I think this will suit the place.
Okay.
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from
Ganda pala ng
reality.
boses ni Zark, eh, no?
Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy. Because I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Anyways the wind blows, doesn't really matter to me.
Matapos naming imbitahan ng mga espiritu, dumiretso na kami sa swimming pool para dito naman mag-investigate.
Nasamon ka ba namin, Bloody Mary?
Nilatag na namin ang lahat ng paranormal equipments, pati yung mga camera para makuhanan ng lahat ng mga anggulo.
I think that's good.
Pero hindi pa kami nagsisimula ay may nangyayari na agad.
We got the bell if we want to use it.
All right, I'll put the bell on.
Yo.
Oh,
It's going off?
dude, yes.
Right.
Yes. That is good.
Yo.
That is, oh,
It's striking.
it's really good.
Same spot to, ano, yung kila Shaman Tope. Active talaga yung lugar na yan. Same spot yan, eh.
Oh my God.
gosh.
Yung, ano,
We heard it.
It went off, yeah.
We heard that just go off. Music box went up for a quick. Oops.
ayun din, oh.
Music box went off. That is going off all at once on the outside.
What is happening there?
This too.
Dude, the music box.
Oh, by the pool.
So kakarating lang namin dito sa swimming pool and yung mga
Ano to make things clear, hindi yun yung music box katulad nung kay Sir Lance. Yung music box na ginagamit nila dyan, yung coffin shape, na ang tunog mechanical. Yung kay Sir Lance, digital, eh.
equipment namin nagre-response na.
So we got the DR60 out. If you guys don't know at home what this is, the DR60 is a device that was first made in Japan. And,
Yan, yung DR60 na yan yung mahal na ngayon yan, eh. Yan yung pinaka-sensitive na voice recorder. Yan yung paborito ng mga, paranormal investigator. Kasi sabi nila, yan DR60 na recorder daw na yan ay madaling makakapture ng Pero I think, kung magiging skeptic ako do sa DR60, dahil lang siguro sa poor quality nung microphone, kaya nakakabuo ng words. I don't know, no? Tama, husgahan nyo, ha. Poor quality kasi yung microphone yan, eh. Kaya, pagka pinakinggan mo yung recording, parang, distorted siya na may maririnig ka na kung ano-ano.
that's insane. Anyway, oh, dude, someone is 100% there. Anyways, if someone is there and you want to come over here and talk to us, in my hand,
I have a device that you're gonna be able to communicate with, and it's called a DR60. This is a voice recorder. This thing, once they hit record, records and only picks up voices and noise. A lot of people was like, why am I hearing voices that's not mine? Because this thing, this device was picking up other voices from the afterworld, the ghosts. And so they thought it was broken. So all of a sudden, after 2 years in the making, they just stopped using this.
That is like $3,000
diniscontinue na yun.
right now.
Yeah, it costs a lot of money for these, but we're here, we're gonna use it. And anyway, so for
Mahal na yan eh.
for anyone else who's here,
Magtatanong kami, pwede nyo gamitin
Brand new yan, sobrang mahal na.
itong
Secondary market.
para makapagsalita. Ano man ang nyo sabihin, maririnig ng recorder na to.
Sinimulan na naming magtanong at mamaya maririnig natin sa playback kung nagsalita ba
are you
sila.
still following us?
Sinusundan mo ba kami? May kasama ba kami rito ngayon? Kasama ba namin yung bata?
Is the spirit of the little boy here?
Andito ba yung espiritu ng bata?
At biglang tumunog yung music box.
All right, that's our first and test run. You want to hear it back now?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
May background sound. Tama ha. Yung quality nung sounds niya, poor kasi nga yung recorder na yan pwedeng magkaroon ng false reading.
May kasama ba kami dito ngayon?
Pwede naman.
What the hell is that?
May kasama ba kami dito ngayon?
Pero may something talaga,
Pwede naman.
What the hell is that?
Dude, it says pwede naman. It's like, maybe.
Let's hear it again.
Kasama ba namin yung bata?
Wait. I heard that. Oh, it means yes.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna play this.
Rewind it.
I gotta rewind this all the time. This is hard to understand.
At habang pinapakinggan namin ito ay may biglang kumaluskos sa likod.
Kasama ba namin yung bata?
Pero hindi na namin ito pinansin pa.
Is the spirit of the little boy here? Andito ba yung espiritu ng bata?
I heard. Whoa! It said yes, right?
Yes.
I heard that in English.
It's oo means oo and oo means yes. It means the boy is here. And remember the REM pod? It went off.
Yeah, it went off when you said that. Okay. That was great then. You
Yes.
picked that up.
Yep.
All right. Let's do it again. And
Yeah.
ask more questions now. But when we ask, no one talk. We have to be so fucking
Okay.
silent. And that's still going off, so we know someone's there. Okay, let's ask. All right, here we go. This is good. This is really good. All right, in 3, 2, 1. Are you trapped here at this resort?
Natrap ka ba dito sa resort na to?
At habang nagtatanong kami, may nadedetect naman ang aming motion sensor.
How many spirits are here?
Ilang espiritu ang nandito ngayon? Nasaan yung bata? Andito ba yung bata? Nasaan ka?
Di ba nadedetect ng music box nyo yung galaw ng dahon? Hindi ba yon?
Is the person who tried to push me in the pool right next to us?
Andito ba yung nagtangkang tumulak kay Josh sa swimming pool?
All right, stopped it. Let's see what happens then. We're gonna go right into it.
Are you trapped here at this resort? Natrap ka ba dito sa resort na to? How many spirits are here? Ilang espiritu ang nandito ngayon?
44?
What?
Is it 44?
I heard something.
Ilang espiritu ang nandito ngayon?
But I heard a 4.
It's something for.
Yeah, it's like 2 numbers.
Is the person who tried to push me in the pool right next to us? Nandito ba yung nagtangkang tumulak kay Josh sa swimming pool?
I hear yes in English at the end.
Yes. So I think maybe the child is speaking, because when I ask, is the little boy here? And he answered, andito ako. It means I'm here.
Really?
Yeah, can you rewind it? To
Yeah,
this
yeah, yeah.
Spot?
How about I play in your ear?
Ilang spirit ako nandito ngayon?
44.
Nasaan yung bata? Nandito ba yung bata? Nasaan ka? Is the person who tried to push me in the pool right next to us?
Hard.
It's hard.
It's hard.
It's hard. But dude, the 44.
The 44 is clear. 44 is pretty good, like 44 or something like that. Should we try another one? Just one more? Yeah, and we'll ask.
Kinda, impressive, Pero, hindi mo maaalis yung confirmation bias. Pero, okay na yan. Kung ako ang tatanong, mas okay na to kaysa mameke ka ng white lady na magpapa-costume ka ng tao.
If you want us to go inside one of these
Hindi naman karumal-dumal yan.
like that one,
Entertaining pa tayo.
if it's okay to do the mirror game,
Okay.
we'll ask for permission. See what they say. All right, and 3, 2, 1. Do you want us to leave this place and never come back?
Gusto mo ba kaming umalis at hindi na bumalik? May gusto ka bang ipagawa sa amin?
Is it okay if we go inside one of the hotel rooms and do a game?
Okay lang ba pumasok kami at maglaro sa loob?
All right, let's play that back.
Do you want us to leave this place and never come back? Gusto ba kaming bumalik at hindi na bumalik?
Forward na natin,
Yes, of course.
It's like, it's on the same tone. Yes, of course. Oo naman.
Sa kalagitnaan ng pangyayari, tingnan nyo yung ilaw.
But either ways, it's still yes.
We're still getting a yes, and I heard of course. What's that? Why are our lights? Oh,
But either ways, it's still
May sinipsip na energy.
yes.
we're still getting a yes, and I heard of course.
It went off.
My light's dead. Now that could be from anything, but the ghost could have drained the batteries.
Yeah, it could be.
Pero tanggap nila naman na pwede namang mangyari siguro talagang namatay na lang dahil nag-overheat, naubos yung battery.
Holy fuck.
We got a lot of good communication.
But it went off right when we said if we can go inside and play a game. That freaks me out.
Because this thing,
May nakikita na akong pattern sa investigation nila.
first, this light it's now low battery. I can't use it anymore. Second is this main light is now also low battery, and the third is your light.
Yeah, so my light's gone. I have one little light left, but it's an IR light. What do you think we should do? Do we go inside and do the Bloody Mary thing and end this video, or is it not safe and you think we should?
I am literally freaking out. We're already here. I mean, that's the only last thing because we already asked if we can play, and they say, "Oh, naman," or "Yes, of course."
It was like the warning.
Or maybe it might be a trap.
That's what I think. I think it's a trap. Yeah, that's what I'm.
Parang ganyan din yung naisip nila aga si Ching dyan eh. Yung parang di umano'y nililid daw sila sa taas, no? Parang hindi nila tinuloy dahil feeling nila nga daw
Trying to tell you guys, I think it's a freaking trap. And I almost got, and I felt I was pushed at the beginning of this video.
Yo, cause dude, the Bloody Mary
Yo!
play without a light.
Dude!
Oh my god!
Yo!
We didn't tell them. Oh, we did tell them Bloody Mary because off camera, obviously they're still watching.
Because the thing is, if they drain the last light, then we're fucked.
Yeah.
Kasama ko Sir Ed, nag-explore kami. Yo! Dude!
So should I put the IR light on and we should try it then?
Isa na lang ang natitira naming ilaw at ang lahat ng dala naming flashlight sa hindi maipaliwanag na dahilan ay mabilis na na-drain ang lahat.
Grabe, sobrang haunted ng lugar na to.
Oh my god.
Oh, dude.
As it knows we're ready, it did the longest.
That was the longest.
Yo, have you heard like someone?
Oh. Alright, hang on. Can you give us a sound if you're watching us?
Yung psst na yun, naniniwala ako dun. Na-experience ko sa probinsya yun eh. May nag-message sa akin, baka daw ahas. Sabagay, hindi pa ako nakarinig ng hiss ng ahas sa personal. Pero alam ko yung sound ng psst ng tao. Na-experience ko na sa province yun.
Are you in that room?
Nandiyan ka ba sa kwartong yan? Pwede ka magsalita or pwede kang gumalaw ng kahit ano kung nandito ka.
At maya-maya lang, nagparamdam na yung espiritu.
Gotta start now. No. Oh my God, no.
Active dyan sa lugar na yan, ano? Sila Shaman Tope din.
Dude, this is scary. This is actually exciting but fucking scary. Alright.
It's been a long time since I encountered ghosts. It was like, I think my last time was on the Grudge House.
Oh my God.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
This is freaking crazy.
No, this is great though, but alright, we have to figure out our poison now.
Alright, so we bring the REM pod to that room, and we're gonna bring one more device.
You say Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary 20 times.
It's 3 times.
It's 3 times?
3 times.
Parang hindi applicable yung Bloody Mary sa Pilipinas.
Look into the mirror, no lights, you say Bloody Mary 3 times, and you turn around 3 times in a circle and you open your eyes. And you're supposed to see or summon something.
Alright guys, so nandito na kami. Bloody Mary ritual. Last na gagawin na namin. Si Slang siya yung mauuna. Andito na siya. And iantay lang namin dito kasi 1 by 1 kami papasok.
Tangina, ayoko ng ganyan. Kahit pa sabihin mo skeptic ako. Paano ko maging totoo yan?
Para gawin yung ritual na to. Alright, so let's go.
You stare into the mirror, and then after like 20 seconds, you're gonna shut your eyes and then say Bloody Mary 3 times, then do 3 circles like twirls, and open your eyes.
Okay.
Okay.
Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary.
At habang ginagawa niya to, bilang tumunog ang music box.
Bro, there's a shadow, bro. There's a shadow, bro.
Sana may camera.
Yeah.
No.
There's a shadow. I saw it, bro.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Pwede kasing mangyari from pagpikit mo, tapos pagmulat mo, may something sa mata mo, pwede mangyari kasi iyon. Yung parang may gumagalaw sa mata mo. Pwede mangyari yon. Lalo na't umikot-ikot ka pa. Sana, nagpadala sila ng kahit GoPro man lang or handheld camera. Para pagmulat, documented yung makikita. No? Pero it could be paranormal naman. Malay mo naman. Pero yung minsan pumikit ka, then pagmulat mo, sometimes kasi may maaninagan ka eh.
I don't know if it's me or something else, bro.
Yeah, it is dark.
Yo, I'm worried for you.
Dude, right after you see a shadow,
the
music box goes off.
The best that went off the whole time.
Shit.
Nang i-replay ko yung camera na nakatutok sa kanya, wala ditong nakita. Kaya isang palaisipan kung ito may guni-guni niya lang o sadyang sa kanya lang.
Hindi naman guni-guni. Pwedeng kasing yun eh, yung pagmulat mo nga, may something na nasa eyes mo. Hindi, not necessarily paranormal.
Pakita.
Parang,
There's a shadow, bro.
Para makumpirma, sinubukan rin ito ni Rich. At laking gulat namin sa mga sumunod na nangyari.
Oh my God, dude. Holy shit.
I mean, it's definitely scary, dude. See if we can see something in the mirror.
At hindi pa siya nagsisimula pero may nangyari na.
laki nung salamin eh, no?
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, it's going off! And because you saw it! Oh my God, stop it!
I could not do it after that.
Oh my God!
Yo!
Bawala min.
Guys, I'm frozen right now.
Go for it, Bloody Mary shit.
Dude, I think it's already summoned.
I think so.
Like, actually.
Ready?
Yeah.
Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary.
May factor yun eh. Parang DC ka eh.
Dude.
Masyado yung pagbawala ng REM pad.
What the fuck is happening?
I don't know.
This is uncut. At sa ganyang tulog ng REM pod, nasa tabi lang yung entity.
Pwede mo umalis?
Dude, I actually got the chills on my arms watching this happening.
This is first hand, bro.
Tuloy sa amin, bro.
Bro.
Tuloy sa amin.
Oh my god.
Mari ka ba tumigil?
Bloody Mary, stop.
Maybe you should get out of there.
I haven't.
No, you didn't.
Yeah,
we have it on camera. You never touched it, bro. I know. But that's what worries me. I think it's like actually summoned.
I think we should stop it.
Yeah, me too.
What?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Ang problem niyan, paano nyo isasara yun kung na-isama nyo?
Oh shit.
Yeah. Yo, we have to keep alive.
Dude,
we have
we
so
need to
much
be
to
alive.
do.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's just. So the thing we need to prove is not our courage.
Yeah.
It's about the experience that it's real.
Wow.
Yeah. And you summoned it. You were in there. We're done. We already know it's here.
Yeah, you're right.
Slang
Perfect.
did it
Perfect.
already.
Perfect.
Yeah,
brother.
we're
Give me a
good.
hand.
Good game.
All right.
What the fuck was that? You doing it? Okay, subscribe.
Magaling magaling, di ba? Magaling yung pagkakagawa ng video. Actually, yung entertainment value niya. Kahit man lang yung mga fake ghost hunters, kahit dito man lang sana kayo bumawi. Yung ito let's say fake yung ginagawa nila. Let's say fake yung ginagawa nila. I'm not saying na fake yun. May some part doon na convince ako na totoo. Katulad nung yung pagwawala ng REM pad, tsaka yung partially do sa dead bell, hindi ko naman sinasabi fake, pero let's say pineke nila lahat yan. Worth it pa rin eh. Kasi talaga namang entertaining. Yung pag pinapanood mo, yung parang hindi iniinsulto yung intelihente mo. Hindi same feeling nung nararamdaman mo pag nanonood ka ng mga video nila doon, kinakita mo nakatalukbong ng tela. 'Di ba? Dito kasi pag sa ganitong bagay kasi sa ganitong mga videos kasi yung editing niya professional, talaga malilibang ka. Worth it yung pinanood mo. Pero dun sa magiging yung mismong rating ko do sa video, yung entertainment value nandun naman eh. Automatic 9 out of 10 na sa akin yung entertainment value. Kasi just imagine 40 minutes na pala yung pinanood natin, hindi ko masyadong na-feel. Pagdating naman do sa mga evidence, feeling ko naman 60% doon totoo. Yung other 40%, hindi ko naman sinasabing fake. Hindi ko naman sinasabing nanloko sila doon sa other 40%. Pero other 40%, may times na feeling ko pinipilit na lang nilang magkaroon ng meaning eh. Katulad yung i-connect nila yung dumugo yung ilong ni Zark, nasira yung camera. 'Di ba? Pero all in all, nag-enjoy ako doon sa may bell. 'Di ba? Yung interaction nila sa bell. Feeling ko parang totoo naman. Or kung may explanation man doon sa bell na yon, hindi ko pa alam kung paano nangyayari yon. Pero kung yun ay natitrigger through EMF, unless na may dala-dala silang radio doon, Kaya nga habang pinapanood ko yung tinitingnan ko yung mga kamay nila wala naman ako nakita. Maliban na lang doon sa camera ni Zarkaro. 'Di ba? Pero inisip ko naman noon, alangan naman yun na magti-trigger noon ang device noon kila Josh. Maliban na lang kung yung remote noon, kung may remote man, ibinigay doon sa camera. Pero mukhang hindi naman. Kasi nga, yung credibility pa rin nila yung panghahawakan natin. Diba? Anyway, mga kababayan ko, yan lang po muna. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.